Hi. Today I'm going to take you on a pumpkin baking adventure. Let's call it an adventure. So it's pumpkin season. Yay! Anyway, typically in the fall, I love to bake. I love to make empanadas, pumpkin pies, pumpkin fritters, pumpkin bread, pumpkin everything, okay? It's pumpkin season. And typically what I normally use are the sugar pumpkins. However, this past weekend, I was told a secret. I was told that the Cinderella pumpkin is better. Why? Because it has, look at this. Look how thick it is. Okay, and not only that, it bakes with the creamier puree texture and it's sweeter naturally. So yeah, I have one Cinderella pumpkin here to bake, and we're gonna bake, puree it, taste it, and then we're gonna bake the sugar pumpkin as well, and we're gonna compare the two, okay? Because I feel like the best empanada in the world should have the best ingredients. While I'm baking them, I am going to go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon right over, because cinnamon is one of the main ingredients to any of my pumpkin recipes. Okay, so we're gonna bake that, and guess what else? Check out these seeds. They're humongous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, those seeds are massive. So, and this is what was inside the Cinderella pumpkin. So yeah, that's just the major part of the bulk of the inside of the pumpkin. So we will bake the Cinderella pumpkin at 250 degrees for at least 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours. Slow roast, not really in a hurry. I just want it to slowly bake, and we'll go from there. And I'm going to chop this up and bake this on the bottom oven so we can compare both at the same time. All right, and yeah, I'll bring you back to it.